Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up the Rapala Wrap Shack Premium Ice Fishing Hut. This is the Sherpa M2 two-man hut version. So it comes in this nice little carrying bag with some shoulder straps on it for over your shoulder or like a backpack. So we're just going to take it out real quick. It says it's a 60-second quick pop-up tent. So these are your feet, these go on the ground. First thing you're going to do is you're going to find your top, which is this black panel right here. And you're going to pop it up, so you can just grab one of the sides here. And you pull on the tab right here. That's your top. Then you're going to go along each side. And they all have their own tabs as well. Just like that. So I find if you step on the skirt here a bit and use your hand on the top when you pull, it's a lot easier. And you're going to spin it around. Same thing on all the sides. Here. And then when you're done, it does have tie downs. So all you're going to do, open up your corkscrews, and then there's your rope here. So all you're going to do is put your rope on, tie it to here, put your corkscrew into your ice, tie it to your corkscrew. Do that on all four sides with your handles here, and that'll hold you down. And then when you're ready to collapse it, all you do, push down on the top first. So always remember, top comes first when you're popping it up, top comes first when you're taking it down. Push it down like that. And I just use my knee to push in where you pulled out, just like that. Side. I'm going to gently flip it. I'm just going to be careful because I'm on pavement here. Then if you grab your four, or rather 5 posts here, just don't be afraid. Pull on one of these. Hold on here on the top of the bar. Pull it so it pops like that. And you grab your case. I'm going to try and get it back in as easily as it came back out. I always find that it's actually quicker to set the whole tent up than it actually is to get back in the bag. So if you just rotate it, kind of pack the sides down, makes it a little easier. That's all there is to it, folks. Then you grab your corkscrews, and there's this little flap here. I'm gonna put that back in, and you're all good to go. Once you have it all set up, you're ready to go home. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're ice fishing, make sure you take a buddy with you and let people know where you're going just in case you have an accident. Stay safe out there.